My man just showed his wife the picture, the before and after. Let me see that message. Let me see what the message say. It says, oh my fucking God. You look so grown, OMG. Yes. Boy. Yes. Boy, you cut so fresh, you blurry on the screen, they won't even let you, I can't even see you. What is that? Somebody do a little voice part real quick, so can we get a little battle? I'm about to talk, so can we not talk loud for a second? Real quick. Okay. What's up?
So anyway.
Okay, since they want to show out, this is my coworkers right here. Usually, this is Elvis, not Presley, call him Freshly. Elvis Freshly. This is KD. Let me take, this is the guy right here. This is the mop head guy. Hold your head down, bro. Okay, all right, so, let me introduce everybody. This is Elvis Fresh. My man's from the islands. Pablo. That's your real name? Yeah. You don't like a Pablo, but all right. My man right here. My man.
KD the GOAT.
KD, I'm cutting his dreads off next. My man, the biggest Drake hater ever, bro. I hate that, bro. I love this guy, but I hate that he hates Drake. Okay?
We don't support basic rappers.
Ooh! Bro, you gotta stop saying shit like that. It makes you sound uneducated when I know you're smart. Preschool, okay. This is Omar. Omar doesn't like black people. That was a joke. Oh yeah, these are my coworkers. Usually they never hear this late when I'm shooting a video, but they hear. So, we're about to shoot a video. One thing I know for a fact, Drake, LeBron, and Devontae all have one thing in common. I'm Devontae, the game changer. We're all the GOAT.
You're the only one.
Appreciate it, fam. I guess I gotta take that. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. How long a little quick interview, bro? How long you been growing these things, bro?
It's been like 3 years, man.
This shit go cut fast. 3 years. Bro, look. Straight. Dread. You cut it off, like all the way off. Y'all ready to see? Tell them what you're getting, bro.
Drop fade.
Drop fade. Well, this finna be vicious right here. We finna get right. All right. So there's enough talking, man. Let's go and get to work. But the next strip came on. It's so unprofessional. They're gonna, bro, I'm gonna tell you some of my people on YouTube. They're gonna talk so much trash. Why the next strip fall off? You don't know what you're doing. Your customer service is horrible. We see you guys in a little bit. Let's get to work, man. All right, sir. The Metro PCS bag. Free sponsorship, Metro PCS. I want to check for that, bro. Just cut the check. You ready? Do one? We'll start. I will start a little or a big one? Little. You know, I'm gonna start in the middle, so you know what? Just to change your mind. I just want you to. I'm right here and that is so good. Let's put them together quickly, bro. I know you just Oh, I got 2 on 1.
That's like a devil's force.
Yeah, bro, that's a sign we gotta get rid of. Hey, bro, we gotta do 2 this time.
Oh.
It's good, bro. Pause, okay. We'll be back. This shot, this is one of my regular clients. He came up here just to see this.
I came just to see this because he been bragging all day. This is gonna be the best cut he ever.
And then 30 minutes later, after cutting 3 dreads off, my man apparently let me be great. He won't let me be great. I'm trying to get him right. That's what I'm telling you. I'm good. I'm great.
Let me get 5 more, 6 more.
Why you look at his face? What is he doing? This is the guy.
But we got like 4 dreads though.
So I guess you got 4. 6 more, make 10.
Now wait, we got some mirror. Turn around to the mirror real quick. I nigga just went straight through.
Whoa. Come on, this is an intervention, bro. You're not gonna do it on your own. Another break. So you take this. You can't go back now, bro. You got a whole little.
It's gone.
You ain't going nowhere now, hey, bro. Together, we're in there.
You sure we're in there? At the mirror. Say goodbye, man. Oh, he ain't about to say goodbye. He's just gonna let it go. It's just off now. Yeah, it's off now. Oh, he's hey, there now.
We're there now. You know how sometimes you gotta eat up there.
Yeah, go ahead.
You got. Oh, got him. This is fun now. I'm having fun. Hey, we there now?
Oh, yeah, that's a wrap.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it's emotional at first, fam, but don't worry. It's gonna get better.
That's what she said. Oh yeah, this is fucking game, bro.
I got part of making. I got one. Dread.
I usually charge 30, but it's your first time.
I usually charge 30, but it's your first time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, we here now. Oh yeah. Ooh. Got some weight, baby. We'll be back. Okay, so welcome to the tutorial. As you can see, my man had his dreads for his locks for 3 years, and we cut them off. So my general rule of thumb when you're cutting off locks is you want to cut them at the base to where the last hair twisted, so you can keep as much length as possible. So when you cut it, you have hair to grow and to groom the natural hair texture. So usually whenever a client tells me that they're cutting off locks, I try to tell them don't get it freshly twisted. After I cut it, you see I combed it out gently. I didn't want to pull his scalp. His hair's kind of dry, and I didn't lubricate it, so I kind of gently combed it. He wants a 1.5 for the drop ball fade, so the first thing I did was cut it down to a 2, just to see how that hair pattern was going to grow. Then I came back and cut it down with the 1.5. So like I said, any client who hasn't had a haircut in a long time, you want to pace it. You don't want to rush into it. So like I said, as you can see, if you can look at this hair, you see it grows in many different ways. And I'll show you a technique after I cut it down to fix that. But first you want to cut it longer than what they request so that you can see what you're actually working with. Any swirls that you might not know about, they might have newly developed. Just anything, you want to study the hair first. So after we get this down, we're going to study, and I'll be back in a sec. So first you study it. I have it cut down, I see, okay, it's kind of curly, it's growing in a lot of different ways. So the way I can fix that is with hot lather. I'm about to show you this technique right now. So you take some hot lather, which is basically hot shaving cream, you smother it on the head, you try to get it, you lay it pretty thick, get a pretty good thick layer of it, you lay it on the hair so that you can soften the hair, soften the cuticles, the center layer of the hair, so that way you can manipulate it and turn it which way you want it to go. So after I lay that down, I'm going to actually comb it in the direction or the pattern that I want the hair to lay. Then I'm going to come back with the warm rag, let it sit for about 15-30 seconds, pretty warm, and then that'll lay the hair for the most part the way, give me the desired look that I want it to look, have. Sorry, I'm stumbling tonight. But you get what I'm saying though. So you pretty much see I'm combing that wave pattern, and you guys watch, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so after laying that warm rag down and the hot lather, the hair pretty much lays the way I need it to lay. It's not perfect. Obviously, you're still going to have to brush and tame his hair, but it gives me a much better outcome, or I'll have a much better outcome than I would have had if I would have left it natural, or natural after the locks. So now I'm going to let his hair dry for about 20 to 30 seconds if I don't use a blow dryer, and now it's time to cut. As you can see, that hair lays a lot better than those waves lay down. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Walls Barbers, Barbers, and I'm going to actually do a drop fade. A drop fade is basically fade under the occipital bone, but kind of at the top of the temple. So basically, it's further down in the back and higher on the sides to give it a drop appearance. This fade actually, or this cut actually looks good on certain head types. So as you can see, I'm pulling the ear down because I want to keep it low around that ear. I don't want to go too high, but I want to have a nice bowl type shape with the angle. As you can see, the front is higher than the back is. All right, so you guys watch, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so after we get that bald line nice and symmetric on both sides, it's time for my secondary line. I'm using my Anders Masters, about 2 notches open or 2 notches closed to put that line in. The reason why I do a secondary line is so that way I can keep my workspace nice and neat. I've watched a lot of young barbers or just barbers in general, and I see a lot of mistakes happen when your workspace gets a little uneasy or not neat. So you want to keep it nice and neat. Right now I have my walls magic clip, and I basically take and with my Endless Masters, and I'm taking that secondary line out. I don't want to bald it again, but I want to actually fade that line into the bald, so that way the transition of the fade goes into the hair really smoothly. You don't want to just completely take that line out. You want to fade it. But like I said, so keep a nice fade and transition, even from the bald to that little bit of hair that you have there. Okay, so now that we have that first line blended in, now it's time to debulk before we actually blend it all together. So debulking is basically when you have to fade a thicker portion of hair and you want to thin it out first, like you would do with thinning shears, so that way it makes the fading easier and it's easy to transition and fade without actually gapping the hair. So after I debulk, you see I put the 1/16 on, which is equivalent to a 0 on the masters. And I'm actually fading the hair. I'm using the comb because usually when you use the comb, it actually spaces the hair out and it makes that fade more flush, and then gives you a better representation of what the hair actually looks like. He has a dent right there in his head, so I kind of use the corner of the hair to make that fade smoothly and blend in. So basically that's pretty much what I'm doing right here. No deeper explanation than that. So you guys watch me do that, and I will see you actually right now. I was about to leave, but now after I get that faded and blended together, I'm still hitting those dents in his head, and I'm doing the bear claw method, and I'm just basically hitting certain spots. I want to make sure this fade is flawless. You see me going with the texture of the hair. It's another form of debulking. So basically, that's pretty much how you do the fade. And now you're going to watch me edge up. I didn't really get much good footage of the edge up, so it's not really an edge up tutorial anyway. But hopefully soon I'll have time to actually get you a full video catering to their step. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for some after video effects. And I hope you enjoyed. We turn this to this. Let's look at his reaction. Close it out here. Hold it. Don't look at it, bro. All right, bro. Go ahead. Hey, you like it, bro?
I like it, bro. It's clean.
Oh, this one focus. There we go. You good? That's how you want it?
Sauce. Yeah,
Huh?
bro, sauce.
Once you brush, you get it back in there.
Bro, it's really gone, man.
Yeah. Here we go again, bro. No, bro, it's not gone, bro. It's right here in the bag, fam.
In the bag, man.
And this cut is in the bag, bro. What you think?
Good, bro.
Good?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm happy you like it. I'm ready to go home. It's like midnight. I came to work at well, babe, what time can I work? I'm on the phone with my wife.
I don't know.
Oh wait, I got to work. Oh, I almost fell. Oh man, I'm dropping everything. I got to work at like 9 a.m., 8:30, and it's like midnight. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like. We coming for that top, man. 100K subscribers, man. So subscribe to the video. Let's get right. I got more heat coming soon. I told you, boys, I'm on it. I'm not playing. Ladies and gentlemen, I can say boys because it's kind of right. Anyway, but yeah, hope you enjoyed GameChanger. Baby, you got something you want to say?
Try Walmart for my turtles.
You even go to Walmart?
Huh?
You even go to Walmart this late?
Is CVS open or Walgreens?
I thought you missed me when we come home. I'll try. All right, I'll see y'all later. I gotta go pick up turtles. I'm on a turtle run. Yeah, go vegetarian too, by the way. We'll talk about that next time. See you later. Subscribe.
When you stay out that late, you can't come home empty-handed.